After the last solar eclipse of the year, the last chance to enjoy the total lunar eclipse of 2022 has come, and one can witness the last red moon of 2022 on Tuesday, that is on 8th November. During the lunar eclipse, also known as Chandragrahan, lucky ones would be able to see it turn copper red. This is expected to be the last total lunar eclipse till 2025, with the next occurring on March 14th, 2025. According to NASA, the total lunar eclipse will be visible across North and Central America and in Ecuador, Colombia, and western portions of Venezuela and Peru. In Puerto Rico, the moon will set just after totality begins. The eclipse will also be visible in Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. Additionally, people in Alaska and Hawaii will have the opportunity to see every stage of the eclipse. When the Earth obstructs the direct light coming from the Sun to the Moon and comes in between the Sun and the Moon, people on Earth witness a total lunar eclipse. On the other hand, a partial lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes in between the full Moon and the Sun. During the full Moon, the rest of the Moon is covered by the outer part of the Earth's shadow called the penumbra. This would be people's last chance to witness how a moon turns red by falling into the deep umbral shadow of the Earth with the help of light first filtered by Earth's atmosphere. The duration of the lunar eclipse will depend on the location of the sky gazers. People would be able to see the lunar eclipse for 85 minutes in North America and parts of South America, Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. In India, people would be able to witness the lunar eclipse on Tuesday evening only. The phenomenal astronomical event will be visible at 3:46 pm on Tuesday. It will last till 4:29 pm. Along with this, the moon will begin to hide behind the Earth partially from 2:39 pm and will be partially obscured by the Earth till 5:11 pm. Unlike the solar eclipse, there is no requirement of any equipment to enjoy the lunar eclipse. As the moon reflects the light of the sun, there is no chance that the light can cause damage to human eyes. Unlike the solar eclipse, there is no requirement of any equipment to enjoy the lunar eclipse.